The hell? I feel as if there is something in my shoe. I better go check to make sure there is nothing in my shoe, because I can't walk if there's something in my damn shoe. Alright, I better find out what's in my shoe, because I can't go walking with stuff in my shoe. Alright, let's see what's in this baby. Ugh. Funny, it doesn't look like anything's in here, but it definitely feels like something's in here. Oh well, I better empty it out. Let's see what the hell is in my damn shoe. Dictionary, how the hell did that get in there? What the? Cyclops action figure? What the hell? Not an action figure? Man, oh, that's what, okay, that's where I lost all my action figures. I was wondering where they went. Some sticky notes, alright, that's weird, I don't know how that got there. Camera case, okay. A water bottle, an empty water bottle. Mikey the Brooklyn Rat. Mikey, what the hell are you doing here? I don't know, I've been stuck here for years. And the action figure. Schedule, what the hell's going on here? Jesus, I don't even know what the hell that is. What the hell was that? Pen? Why is there so much stuff in my shoe? What, another toy? How many toys are... Is that, I think that was Dr. Octopus in a stress ball. What? Are you serious? Oh, there's too much stuff over here. What the hell? Another stress ball? How the hell did that get there? Scissor. Jesus Christ. How much? What the hell? What? 5 Towns College yearbook. Why would that be in there? I have no idea. The hell was that? I mean, what the hell sounds like a belt? Jesus Christ. I think that's everything. Wow. There was a lot of stuff in my shoe. Well, I'm glad that I got it all out. Now I'm just gonna sit here, spread-legged. Jack, Daniel Bryan, where are they? You have them. You're probably eating them right now. I want my bag of Doritos.